So as a brand new seller on Fiverr, how do you get your first order? Let's check it out now. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money through online. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you exactly my 7 different strategies how to get your first order on Fiverr. Okay, I have 7 tips and tricks with me how to get your first order on Fiverr. Okay, but before that, I request you to visit a link in my description. It states start working from home today without any experience tech skills. So this link is about work from home secrets, guys. Okay, you can just buy it for $1 and try it for 30 days. I hope like you would be really interested in it to buy the full version. Why? Because the information available in this program is completely legit. Okay, please stay tuned to my video and watch this video till the end. Why? Because you don't miss any of the tip. Why? Because by using Fiverr, we are going to make at least $3,000 to $4,000 per month. So guys, please stay tuned. So here is my Fiverr account, a brand new Fiverr account. You can check. I've started making these videos by creating this Fiverr account. Okay, so if you are new to my video, there are nearly 6 different kinds of gigs posted on my Fiverr account. You can check those videos in my video section, the previous videos, or else I would be dropping the link in my description. You can please check with that how to log in into the Fiverr as a seller, and all these different gigs description and the links I would be sharing you in my description. Okay, please check with that. So let's jump into our strategies. Now I'm going to tell you my 7 different kinds of strategies how to get your first order, and you can check all my Fiverr impressions are 0. Okay, I would be starting with you from the scratch, and I'll show you in my channel itself how I would be getting orders. Okay, so the first strategy we would be working is on buyer request. So there is an option called buyer request. You need to go to selling mode and click on more, and just click on buyer request. So there would be an option where you can easily contact your clients. Okay, there are 10 offers left daily. Okay, daily you can contact 10 different clients who are in need of services. So what the gigs you have posted, all the services would be mentioned here. So I've just checked now, there are no services available. So you need to check daily what are the services available on this buyer request. So if you find any request over here, you need to send him your rate part and what the thing you would be doing with that request. I mean what all the things would be involved. You need to send them, or else you can directly copy the link of your Fiverr gig and you can directly paste it in the chat. So this is the first strategy we need to work. By doing this, we would be getting lot many requests. Per day you can easily contact 10 different clients who are in need of all these services. Okay, and my second tip is focus more on keywords. For example, say I've searched for word art. Okay, so I came across this many gigs over here. As a buyer, I'm searching. I'm a client now. I'm searching as a buyer, so I'm finding lot many services over here. In first place, this person is having many reviews, but she lag into second place, like in a second row. You can see these people are placed in the first row. Why? Because they have keywords in their title. So mentioning keywords in your gig would be helping you out to rank in Fiverr. So I'll show you exactly how to search these keywords. Fiverr itself would be giving you the suggested keywords. Okay, if I type word art over here, you can see there are lot many suggested keywords. So you need to make use of these keywords and place it in your Fiverr gig. Just you need to do one thing, just click on edit, go to title section and mention the keyword you are seeing over here. See, I've seen like word art design, typography, word art design. So let me check. See, design, typography, word art. I will do typography, word art design and word cloud design. I'll just rename it like I will do typography, word art design. See, I've covered two different keywords over here. Okay, so this is the second strategy. Like you need to mainly focus upon keywords. So there is a tool called like Keyword Planner in Google AdWords. Okay, so if you would like to know about Google AdWords Keyword Planner, how to do keyword research, just comment down below. I need to know how to do keyword research. Just you need to type down in my comment section. I would be sending you a video link. You can watch how to do keyword research also. So this is my second strategy. You please focus upon this second strategy and make a note, like if the keywords are available on the title section, and also it should be involved in your description. Like 2 to 5% of the keyword what you have mentioned in the title section should be repeated in your description. Like 2 or 3 times would be more than enough. Okay, why? Because client doesn't come directly to fiverr.com and video animation, and then after he would be searching for the best video. He doesn't search in that way. He would be directly coming to the search bar, typing word art, and he would be finding all the top gigs. He would be placing only order on the top gigs. Why? Because he doesn't scroll completely down. Why? Because he knows like the top gigs would be having good reviews, and he would be directly placing an order. To rank in Fiverr, you need to focus mainly upon the keywords. Okay, this is my second strategy. Let's jump into our third strategy, and here is tip number 3. Maximize the opportunities given by Fiverr. For example, say let's check with this gig, create a professional business card with ready print. So I'll just open this gig, and you can see here you have share your gig option. Okay, you can directly copy the link. And the next thing what you need to do is visit social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, and in the search bar just type I need business card. So you would be finding lot many people who are in need of logo or business card or a graphic design or a what we say social media design. So you'd be finding lot many people who are in need of graphic design skill. Okay, so you need to go search for I need a business card, and click on top, search for I need a business card. See, you would be finding people who would be tweeting here who are in need of business card. See, we have gotten recent tweet on May 31st. So you need to be active on social media platforms. You need to keep on searching, like per day once or twice you need to keep on searching. Just click on like, hit comment, and here you need to drop your link stating here is what you're looking for, and drop the link. You can directly copy the link from here. Copy the link, just copy the link and post it. So this is one way by searching on Twitter, and the other way is you need to go on Facebook, log into Facebook and search for groups who are doing graphic design, like who got involved into graphic designs. So a lot many groups, keep joining those groups, and in those groups you would be finding like people would be posting who are in need of graphic cards. So people would be posting there, I'm in need of graphic card or any kind of service. So according to the niche, you need to join the groups in social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, anywhere. So this is one way to maximize the opportunity given by Fiverr. So the other way is, while creating a gig, you would be having an option called FAQ, frequently asked questions. So here in description you would be having frequently asked questions. So you have to think across with the buyer module, like how people would be thinking, what the questions would be raised when they give a look at your Fiverr account. So you need to think in the buyer mode and add frequently asked questions like question and answer over here. And also the description should be quite good. Okay, just don't write some simple description and paste it. The description should be quite good, involve keywords in that. So these are the maximum ways what Fiverr would be giving us. Okay, so let's jump into our fourth strategy now. Tip number 4, create a compelling thumbnails or a gig videos. Okay, so let me check with my previous gig. Okay, with this gig, what you can see here is you can just find only one thumbnail, so it doesn't put any weight to your gig. What you need to do is, at least you need to mention 4 different gig thumbnails, and also you need to make use of a gig video. You need to create a video by your end. Let us check with an example. Okay, so when I search for word art, so I came across this gig on top position. Okay, let us open this, and this gig in second row, but you can see it is having only 114 reviews, but this gig is having 565 reviews. Why? Because you can see here he just only upload thumbnail, okay, which looks pretty good, but what customer would be doing from his way, like he would be thinking more creative. This other person got 565 reviews just having a gig video. You can just check with that. See, there is a voiceover also. What she have done is like she just took the work done before and placed and made a video. I'll show you exactly how to do that video also. Canva.com. Just visit Canva.com. Here type for YouTube video. Select anyone. So what you need to do here is, once you create 7 to 8 thumbnails, okay, 7 to 8 thumbnails is more than enough. Come over here, delete everything what is inside this. Okay, upload those thumbnails. For example, I have ready-made thumbnails with me. I'll show you how to do that. So I have 6 different thumbnails. Just to upload it. So if you are good at giving voiceover, then you can give a voiceover by yourself, like how I'm doing. If not, then you can directly add a music to your video. Okay, so just keep on adding the images. Okay, this is my previous work what I've done, so I'm adding those images in Fiverr, on Canva.com. I'll mention the link in the description, you can please check. So after adding this, you need to click on download, okay, and select the mode to video. And click on download. So once I've done with that, your video would be downloaded. So on Google, you can directly search on Google add music to video. So you would be finding lot many online platforms where you can add music to your video. So once you're done with adding music to your video, come to fiverr.com. Okay, and here click on edit. Okay, go to gallery, add the different thumbnails what you have created. One thumbnail won't be adding any weightage to your gig, so add nearly 5 to 6 different thumbnails, and also add the video. If you have any PDFs, then also mention those PDFs. Okay, this is the strategy, fourth strategy we need to follow. Okay, why? Because when customer search your gig, it should be looking like really colorful. If you're okay to come and talk in between the video also, you can show yourself into the video. If you're shy, then just include your voiceover. If you're like not willing to include your voiceover also, that's not a problem. Include music in the background. So let's jump into our fifth strategy. Tip number 5: make sure to price your gig as low as possible. Like, start your gig with $5. I'll show you all my gigs available over here are starting with $5. Why? Because I'll give you an example. Like, once you start with $5, what happens next is, like, after following my strategies, you would be getting orders. So once you receive 1, 2 or maybe 5 orders, the next step what you need to do is you need to edit your gig. Okay, and now we have started with $5. So after getting 5 or 10 orders, what I would be doing, I'll change my pricing now. So basic pricing is $5. I'll put $10, and after I'll activate my 3 different packages. Okay, here premium service, I would be editing it, and I would be mentioning 3 different services. Here I would be giving $10, and here I would be giving $15, and here I would be giving $25. But the service would be the same. Okay, the service would be the same. When I would be doing this, after I receive $5 to $10, 5 to 10 orders. Okay, why? Because you would be getting reviews over there. But getting good reviews is the first point what we need to focus. So this is the ultimate strategy from my end. Why? Because I would be doing the same to get more orders. Just following this strategy, you can get orders easily by minimizing, like by placing your gig price as low as possible. Start with $5. That's it. Tip number 6: get discovered on Fiverr. It's quite easy, guys. Just you need to do is place your name in descriptions and also on thumbnails. This is my brand new Fiverr account, so I couldn't show you an example, but the algorithm everywhere, the algorithm would be the same. Fiverr would be having the same one kind of algorithm, and coming to YouTube, it is having its own algorithm. But how to rank by using those algorithms, I'll show you an example on YouTube. When you search make direct by Sopari, you can directly come with my videos. Okay, here are my videos. So this is the way where you can easily rank on Fiverr also. What you need to do is go to description. Okay, and in description you need to mention like, hi, my name is, your full first name and second name. First name and second name. You need to mention your complete name. And the second thing what you need to do is see, here you can see a search option. Like, I will be showing an example. Here on Canva itself, I would be doing everything on Canva. Okay, So here on my gig thumbnail, what I've done is I mentioned my name, Make Direct by Supari, search option and a YouTube symbol. So on Fiverr also you can do the same on your thumbnails. Okay, mention your full name so that people get discovered when they look at your gig thumbnail. They should think like you are the person you have done it. Okay, you have to create your own brand on your thumbnails and on videos. Okay, this is my sixth strategy. Just get discovered by like mentioning your name, complete name in descriptions, or else you can create your Fiverr account with your first name and second name along with your niche, what you are working. If you are a graphic designer, just mention graphic designer. If you are an SEO expert, just mention SEO expert. So it's completely depend upon you. My suggestion is every time you post a gig, mention your first name and second name in that gig, also on your thumbnail and also on gig videos. Okay, this would be helping you to get discovered on Fiverr. Tip number 6, get discovered on Fiverr. It's quite easy, guys. Just you need to do is place your name in descriptions and also on thumbnails. This is my brand new Fiverr account, so I couldn't show you an example, but the algorithm everywhere, the algorithm would be the same. Fiverr would be having the same one kind of algorithm, and coming to YouTube, it is having its own algorithm. But how to rank by using those algorithms, I'll show you an example on YouTube. When you search Make Direct by Supari, you can directly come with my videos. Okay, here are my videos. So this is the way where you can easily rank on Fiverr also. What you need to do is go to description. Okay, and in description you need to mention like, hi, my name is, your full first name and second name, first name and second name. You need to mention your complete name. And the second thing what you need to do is see, here you can see a search option. Like I will be showing an example. Here on Canva itself, I would be doing everything on Canva. Okay, so here on my gig thumbnail, what I've done is I mentioned my name, Make Direct by Supari, search option and a YouTube symbol. So on Fiverr also you can do the same on your thumbnails. Okay, mention your full name so that people get discovered when they look at your gig thumbnail. They should think like you are the person you have done it. Okay, you have to create your own brand on your thumbnails and on videos. Okay, this is my sixth strategy. Just get discovered by like mentioning your name, complete name in descriptions, or else you can create your Fiverr account with your first name and second name along with your niche, what you are working. If you are a graphic designer, just mention graphic designer. If you are an SEO expert, just mention SEO expert. So it's completely depend upon you. My suggestion is every time you post a gig, mention your first name and second name in that gig, also on your thumbnail and also on gig videos. Okay, this would be helping you to get discovered on Fiverr.